Hi there, students. A walkover, normally one word. A walkover is an easy victory. So the match was a walkover. We won 7-0. Okay, it was a walkover. It was easy. The battle was a walkover. They were never going to be able to stop us. Or a walkover in cricket or in tennis is where the other person withdraws from the competition or they fail to play. So you get a bye, you go through to the next round. I think the Americans call this a walkaway, but it's a walkover. You just go through without playing. Or a horse race that only has one horse, a one-horse race, is a walkover. Yeah? All the horse has to do is finish the course. And then a walkover, somebody who's easy to defeat, easy to beat. But from there, this goes a little bit further. A walkover is somebody who doesn't stand up for themselves. Somebody who is easy to mistreat. Somebody who is easy to treat like a doormat. So I'm going to ask my aunt to lend me some money. She's a walkover. Okay, she's easy to do. She's easy to persuade. There won't be any problems at all. So a person can be a walkover as well. So let's see, a walkover. This is in sports. It's when there is no opposing team. There are no other players, or the opponents have been disqualified, or they've forfeited. Particularly in sports, in tennis. But you can also have a walkover for an election where there is only one candidate, or you achieve victory by default. Okay, so a walkover. In rowing, they actually call it a row over, and perhaps you have to row down the course, but there are no opponents. But originally, this comes from horse racing, where there is a one horse. There is only one horse, and the rules say that the horse has to at least walk over the course before being given the victory, and that's the idea of a walkover. Okay, so a walkover. Then you have a person who's a walkover. Is somebody who is very easy to push around, to get them to do what you want them to do. It's not very nice treating somebody as a walkover, but well, they are very easy to manipulate or to persuade. Or something that's just easy to do. I made the sale. The client was a walkover. Okay, it was just really easy to persuade. There was no problem. There wasn't any resistance from them. Okay, so they were easy to persuade, easy to get them to do what you want them to do. I think there's also a walkover in gymnastics, where I think you put your hands down and you twist over. But I'm not very au fait with gymnastics. So a walkover, somebody who's easily persuaded to do something, that somebody who's not going to give any resistance. They are a pushover. So if you say a competitor or a contest is a walkover, it's very easy to beat them. Yeah, you just have to walk over them. If somebody's a walkover, you're taking advantage of somebody's good nature. My dad's a walkover, so whenever I need the car, I ask him. He's a pushover. He's easy. It's a piece of cake to get him to do this. So the game was a walkover, the match was a walkover, the election was a walkover. Formality, a walkover. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think use this anywhere, and effectively you're just walking over somebody. So walkover.